we do? What do we do? What do we do?
She dies, she dies.
Just sharing Yanai today. There's supposed to be some cool stuff around here. Come on, let's go. Oh. Nobody here. I'm so confused. Like, I hear a kid.
Yeah, it's like, it's all the time.
Oh. Oh, is that the soy sauce factory?
Is it?
This is definitely it. Fish. Oh, there's like nobody in here. This is where they make the soy sauce. Come on. Do you feel weird because there's nobody in here?
Yeah.
I know, I'm kind of confused. Can you not do that?
I scare you.
Yes. I guess they make soy sauce in there.
Especially your barrel over there.
What? What are they doing?
Make soy sauce.
I know.
Fish poop.
Ew.
Edamame.
Stop it. Oh my god, I have to pee so bad. I'm literally gonna pee my pants. I need to go to the bathroom. This is an emergency. This is not helping the situation. We went back to the soy sauce place and we got this spicy cooking soy sauce. Wow! And the guy was so nice and he gave us like a map of the little town. Yeah, pretty cool. I really like how they have like little fish lanterns everywhere. Does it make you feel like you're living underwater?
No.
It's so cute. Because there's like nobody, but then when there is somebody it's like weird because it's just like you two. I think we might go somewhere else soon. I do. Flowerland! Can't see any flowers right now, but we'll get there. Yeah. It's a nice beach.
Let him be.
Oh my god. Wow, these are really pretty.
I know you are, but what am
I'm arresting. It's raining.
I? I know.
Look at these ones. It's raining right now. Oh my god.
To rain harder.
What do we do? What do we do? What do we do?
An overhang.
What do we do? What do we do? Hey Josh, we need to go somewhere. Alright, what do we do?
Over there. There's a little.
Okay, come on. Should we run? Okay, it's not raining anymore. Can you stop making those sounds? We're gonna play on the playground. Are you gonna slide down the slide?
I don't know.
Maybe only I should because I don't want to get kicked out. It's wet.
Make sure you go faster.
Dang it. No, I'm not going down it now. Wait, can we climb on this thing though? That's what I really want to do. Good job, so what? Why are you recording me? I'm calling the police on you.
I don't like Flowerland.
It's pretty cool. There's lots of flowers around.
What's your favorite part?
Probably the flowers.
What about them?
They're really colorful. Any more questions?
How's the weather?
Not good. It's cold and it keeps sometimes raining. But the sun's coming out. The sun's coming out now. Okay, come on. This is better than the other slide park. Are you gonna go on it? Okay. Josh, oh my god. What are you doing? Was it fun?
Yeah.
Maybe we could go up there.
Maybe we should have went out there first.
Oh yeah, let's do that. You see anything?
Like kinda.
Okay, let's get back down. Wait, how can we do this?
Just go. You're good.
Go first.
Yeah, you go first.
Oh my god, I'm so scared. Let's do it again. It was scary because I thought you were gonna hit me so hard.
There was a point where I stopped myself.
Oh my god.
And then after that I was like, I don't care, it's fine. If she dies, she dies.
You think that was so cool?
That was the coolest thing I ever saw.
Are you okay?
Cool.
Sun's out again. Woo! Why are you always yawning when I put the camera on you?
So boring.
Okay, so we're leaving the flower place. Woo! Okay.
Jump.
Ah! Almost got ran over. I'm really excited because we got some plants and I think we're gonna go home now so we can like pick little places for them to go. And I think I'm gonna do a little plant tour and show you guys what stuff because I am like really obsessed with plants right now. I don't know why, but I am, and I'm not. It's really bad too because I'm like not good at taking care of plants at all. I'm trying to learn. I'll show you the plants we got when we get home. Okay, so I know I said I was gonna give you guys a plant tour when I got home, but I'm not gonna put it in this video. I know, I said I was gonna put it in, but if I put it in this video, the video would have been way too long. Plus, I'm gonna get another plant this weekend, so that's just another plant I can add to the list for my next video. So come back next week, and I promise I will have a plant tour, and it will be amazing because I love plants, and I wanna show you guys my plants. So go ahead and subscribe and like the video, and just keep watching my videos every week, because you know you want to. Alright, bye. See you guys next week. Peace out. Bye.